Alright, so these are the answers to the exercises, and you can see I left the areas in terms of pi. And then down here, we solved by plugging in the area into the equation and solving for radius. And then if they asked for diameter, then we multiplied radius by 2 to get the diameter. But these are the answers to the bottom problems. And then we're moving on to the next page. This is areas of a sector. And what is a sector? Well, you could see here's a sector. Right, it's like a piece of the pie cut out of a circle. Here's a sector. Here's a shaded part is a sector. You have this part, the shaded side. It's a Pac-Man looking shape. This is also a sector. So all of these shaded areas are sectors, right? And so it's a region bounded by a central angle and its intercepted arc. So here's our central angle, and there's our intercepted arc. So if our sector has an area of a units, central angle of x degrees, and a radius of r, then the area of the sector is equal to x degrees of the central angle divided by 360 times pi r squared. So we can go ahead and use that formula to solve for the area of the sector. So we're going to say area is equal to x, remember, is the area degrees, number of degrees in the central angle. That's 36. We're dividing by 360. We're multiplying by pi, and then radius squared. So here we have a radius of 5, so I'm multiplying by 5 squared. So now we're going to go and grab our calculator and drop all of this in. So it's 36 divided by 360. And then we're going to multiply by 25, which is 5 squared. And then we're going to multiply that by pi. So we get 7.85. 7.85, right? Because we're rounding to the nearest hundredths. And it's in inches, so we're going to do inches squared, and we're done. Right. So this is how we're going to solve these areas of a sector problem. Area is equal to the number of degrees in the central angle divided by 360 times pi r squared. So let's go ahead and finish these exercises at the bottom of the page.